Hey guys, so thanks for clicking on this video. Today is basically gonna be a color with me episode. I'll be quiet real soon. So this is Etchings Vintage Style Illustrations by Advanced Coloring. An inexpensive and, to be honest, not watercolor paper per se document. I have this Royal Atlantical fine tip water brush, but I'll primarily be using this, which is just a medium tip water brush. It is stained because I've used it a lot. I have a paper towel, and I have a brand new set of watercolors. This is the Disney Frozen Watercolors. I got them for $1 at Dollar Tree, and yeah. Well, that's kind of depressing. Look at that. That's it. It's like nothing. Yep, and it wasn't even dry when they put the cardboard on it because it just stuck to the cardboard. I'm just gonna put these in, I guess. Well, alrighty then. Alrighty, that was that. You can see this didn't come out half bad. A lot of vintage vibe. Gin martinis, the green. This is some sort of maybe absinthe or something. Again, a dark sort of almost poison green. Champagne. This was supposed to be wine, red wine, and this is, I just thought maybe some nice blue vodka, right? But yeah, so I brought some light color down into the stems and up on top for the reflected glassware. And this one, I had a really hard time doing either lemon or lime just because the colors in this palette weren't very vibrant. So, I mean, the colors they weren't bad for a dollar palette, but as you could tell from the beginning when, you know, I opened this and the little wafers of paint just came off, there's not a lot of paint there. Do you see that? I mean, there's like nothing here. There's not a lot of paint. Oops. So yeah, so, you know, for a dollar item, it worked, but the colors weren't really my ideal colors, but they worked. I thought the blue was lovely. The red was honestly a little bit weak because it kind of got dominated by the purple very easily. The yellow was a little bit muddy, like it wasn't a clear, sharp yellow. You can, well, I guess you can't really see, but it's not a very nice yellow. It's okay yellow. The orange is a bit browner. It's not like a popping bright orange. The green is a very nice, sort of like a dark green, viridian green. And again, the blue's nice. Not really, you know, the kind of color I wanted, but I'd say this is probably more of a greenish blue. This is a sort of a, I wouldn't even call it a yellow or red, or bluish red. This is just kind of a weaker red. The orange is a little bit of a brownish, you know, muddy. The yellow is maybe a little bit red bias, but again, a little bit muddy, a little bit just not very bright. Green is very bright, and purple is, purple's not bad either. So yeah, of course I didn't use this brush. It's the plastic bristles. It would have torn up my paper. But overall, I like the shape of it. You know, you would have to open the kit yourself first. Make sure that these aren't, well, like this. But overall, yeah, for $1, not a bad little kit to give to a kid. Just remember to get them a water brush or one of those big Crayola brushes or Elmer's brushes. Alright, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this coloring in of this sort of antique bar setup, and have a good holiday. Stay safe, you guys.